Hi, I'm Diana, and this is my wonderful partner, Sasha.
Today we're gonna show you choreography to Ed Sheeran's Perfect.
It's gonna be a first wedding dance choreography. It's gonna be very beautiful and simple. Thank you very much, Dance Spot, for beautiful clothes and shoes.
And Akademia Tańca Ireneusz Sulewski for a beautiful dance floor.
First, we're gonna teach you how to dance basic step of Venus waltz. So we're gonna stand like this so that you can dance together with us straight away. We're gonna start with the right foot forward. We're gonna take one step and then 2 steps in the spot. In the spot, in the spot. And then we're gonna take left foot back and 2 steps in the spot. So forward right foot, and we go back with the left foot. And every time 3 steps. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
Remember, when you take a step forward, use your heel, and when you take a step back, use your toe.
So you start every time heel, and you go back with the toe. And look at the action. It's like this. Every time we go forward, we go down.
Action.
Yeah, and every time we go back, we also go down. Down and up, down and up, down and up, and down and up. But you have to do it really smooth. Don't let your head jump like this.
So stay on the same level.
Like you have a book on your head. We're gonna talk about hold. So, gentlemen.
So we have 2 points by shoulder blade, and here
With the hand.
with the hand we're pushing to both ways.
So guys, you push with your left hand and the right hand here on the shoulder blade. And girls, we push also. So we do not let the gentlemen to squeeze us. We push all the time away.
Opposite way.
Opposite way. Okay. And about this left hand, look, don't pick it up by yourselves. Just let it go down on the gentleman's arm.
So we need to have one line.
One line. And don't do this, please. So don't hang on your partner. Just let this arm lie on the arm.
Okay, let's try to dance.
The basic step.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
Okay, the other way. So every time gentleman goes forward, ladies, we go back. And then we change.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
Now we're gonna try to turn around to the right. But we do all the time the same steps. So all the time, guys, you go forward and you go back. And forward and back. And girls, we go back and forward, left foot back and right foot forward. And we turn around to the right. We're gonna call this figure a star.
And 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 1/2. 5, 6, 7, 8, whole circle.
Okay, we hope that you have been practicing a lot the basic step. And if it's okay, if you feel good with your basic step.
Also to the music.
Yeah, also to the music. Then you can start to dance the rest of the choreography together with us. So we're gonna start the wedding dance by splitting and going away from each other. And we hope that your guests are all around, but surely most of them are on my right side.
On my left side.
Okay, so this is the front part. Now, girls, we're gonna start with the left foot, walking around.
And guys, also we can go with left foot.
But it's not very important, really. You can start how you want.
We're walking very naturally. Be yourself. But you need to walk to the music. So each step make on one. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. But make sure you're not stopping each time. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So we need smooth action.
Okay, just like you walk on the street.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And our circle getting smaller.
Yes, so we are going closer and closer to each other. So we're gonna take all around 8 steps. So let's start again. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And on 8, we are very close to each other. And we're gonna hold ourselves with right arms. So this is right arm of my partner, and my right arm goes around him.
I'm continuing to go forward
So-
with leading my lady
Around.
around.
So we both continue walking around like this.
Okay. Let's do it different way.
And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
Catch.
8. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're gonna take only 4 steps around, and then ladies will go around on a small circle in front of your gentleman. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now the same part from the other ankle, and 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're gonna make a small circle in front of the gentleman. 5, 6, 7, 8. We are in the front.
And push your lady this way. 1,
Under
2,
your arm.
3, 4. So we are using both arms.
5, 6, 7, 8. And also this moment, look, when we walk around, let's start from 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Gentlemen, look, you grab this hand on 4 and you pick it up on 5. 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay. Then we have smaller frame. So not big one as we did before. Smaller. More like hugging.
Okay, now we're gonna do something really very simple, really easy steps. Because there are no steps, we just split our legs and we swing on one foot and on the other foot.
Transfer your weight to the left, to the right, and
Girls, we start to the right and to the right, to the left. And this is gonna be really slowly, because we will take every time 2 counts. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, when we do this steps or no steps, when we move our body weight, don't be hurry. Try to do it really smooth. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, then we're gonna continue with something beautiful with a dip. 5, 6, 7, 8.
okay, guys, what we're gonna do to make this dip? Stay straight. We need to have vertical spine and pull this arm up. This is my left arm, and this one right we're putting down. And don't watch your lady, just stay straight.
So keep your spine all the time straight. Sasha, maybe you can show it from the other ankle. So look, you turn yourself to the left, then to the right, and you pick your lady up.
So only my right arm is working.
Now girls, what you have to do, you have to start from your heels. So you pick up your heels, bend your knees, and then pick up your hips as high as possible. So look, your hips cannot go down and head goes up. It's not going to work. You have to pick up your heels, pick up your hips to your partner, and then just lie on this hand. It's going to be really, really smooth and easy.
If your lady will do everything as Diana said, it's gonna be very easy. If you feel too much weight on your right hand, something is wrong.
Okay, so girls, think about your hips, not about your head, not about your back. Just think about your hips. And hips up, hips up, hips up.
Okay, and try to pull this arm up to make your lady more confident.
Okay, we're gonna show you from the other ankle. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, we're gonna continue with a very super easy step, because this is something what you always do on your disco dance, on every wedding. So we just transfer weight from one foot to the other, and we turn around. Step, 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 step,
Okay,
step.
it's easy, but we have few tips. When we're moving weight from leg to leg, we are twisting our feet and try to keep your feet parallel. 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't lose this parallel position. Don't make this ballet 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, and tip number 2, our right foot is always inside, in between the other person's legs. Okay, like this.
1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 8 movements to the side.
8 steps. So girls, we're gonna start from the left foot. Guys, you're gonna start from the right foot. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we make one circle around. Then we're gonna continue with the basic step of Venus waltz, which we have already been practicing.
We called it star.
And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay, the next move we're gonna make to the side. So the same 3 steps, basic movement, but to the right, 1, 2, 3, to the left, 1, 2, 3, and third time and fourth time.
Girls, we start from the left foot to the side, right foot to the side, left and right.
Okay, let's do it from another angle.
We're gonna start from the star. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we're gonna make a step to the side. 5, 6.
I just pushed my lady by left hand, and we go opposite ways and finish on my left
And on my right foot. So girls, when we go away from our partner, we start from the left foot to the side and the right foot to the side, and take your hand away like you want to go away from your partner.
And guys, stop your lady by your whole body to move
Opposite way.
1, 2, 3, 4. So don't use for this only your
Arm
muscles.
Yes, and don't use only your arm, but the whole body, the whole spine. So we go away from each other and we go back to each other. Okay, girls, how to go back? So I am on my right foot away from my partner, and now when he pulls me, I make a step to the left with my left foot to my partner, and then put your feet together and twist around.
Okay, this holding we call shadow position. So it's also strong, it's also frame, it's also, we also connected. I'm pushing this way, also I'm pushing this way. So it's, I'm
So
squeezing my partner from both sides.
Okay, and I'm not letting him to squeeze me, so I push away, okay? So we don't want this hand to look like this. We're gonna push away, so this elbow is straight, okay? Now with your right hand, you can put it on your hip, you can put it away like this, or you can hold your dress.
Okay, and let's dance the star.
But this time, we're gonna start both with the right foot forward. So we go
Use your
right
heels
foot forward and
toes.
left foot back. Right and left. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And again, we're gonna turn around one circle, counting to the 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4,
One half
5, 6, 7, 8.
and whole circle.